Welcome, dear students, to our English class. I am teacher Veldrina Gonsalves, and today we are going to study lesson 3.5 News Analysis. Children, we have seen use of some phrases like breaking news, shocking news, etc. News are of different categories: informative news, distress news, good news, bad news. So students, in our today's lesson, news analysis, there are few articles given. Let us see what are those articles. And each articles have few questions based on them. We have to answer those questions. Let us move on to our first article. Closed shoes not allowed in examination halls. Bangalore, also known as Bangalore. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bangalore, has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking the entrance test in the prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank papers, and even pens. The pens will be provided in the hall by the invigilators. Students, here the meaning of invigilators is a person who supervises students during examination. Students, this news article, Closed Shoes Not Allowed in Examination Halls, is an informative news where we get the information about the exam in an institute and other details. Now let us see what are the questions given below this article and answer them. Question 1. What is the meaning of issued, candidates and invigilators? Answer. Issued means published or officially gave out. Candidates means persons taking an examination. Invigilators means a person who supervises students during an examination. Question 2. Who is conducting the test? Now, as per the article, Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru is conducting the test. Students, kindly note question 3A, B and C is omitted. Move on to the next question, that is question 4. Why is this news published in newspapers? This news is published in newspapers so that anyone who is planning to take the test is aware of the rules. Students, I hope the first news article is clear to you all. Now let's move on to the next article. Ritika takes a break from acting. Mumbai. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood, is all set to break her fans' hearts. In an informal chat with journalists, she revealed that she will not sign any more films. After completing the big budget movie Ant next month, she refused to give any reasons for her decisions. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make her career in politics. Students, this news article is about entertainment field where we can read about a Bollywood heroine's present and future plans. Now let us see the questions given below this article and answer them. First question. Guess the meaning of most highly paid revealed signed films. Answer. A1. Most highly paid, one who gets the most amount of money. B. Revealed, disclosed something that is secret. C. sign films, sign a contract to act in a particular film. Question 2. What words are used for the following in the news item? A1. Film industry, Bollywood. B. Something on which a lot of money is spent, big budget. Question 3. Guess why Ant is a big budget movie. Ant is a big budget movie because the famous actress Ritika, who has starred in it, is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood. Her fees will be very high, raising the budget of the film. Question 4 is omitted. Question 5. What will be Ritika's reaction to this news? Ritika will probably be thrilled with it, as now she will be the focus of people's interest for some time. It may help in the publicity of Ant too. Students, I hope the second news article is also clear to you all. Now let's move on to the third article. Most dangerous time in history. London. The famous professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic diseases. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape it. Perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we will have to build colonies amid the stars. But right now, we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. Students, this news, the most dangerous time in history, is an alarming news in which we are told about the danger we will face in coming future. I hope students you all have understood this news. Now let us move on to the questions based on this news article. First question. Guess the meaning of mankind. Answer. Mankind means the human race. Question 2. Which words or phrases in the news refer to the earth? The words and phrases that refer to the earth are the world, the planet, one planet. Question 3. Students, question 3 you all have to do it for homework. Let's move on to the next question. Question 4. Discuss the following statements with the help of your teacher. A. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live. Students, now this statement means that today we are developed in every field. We have got the technology to prepare weapons of mass destruction. Due to global warming, our planet is facing danger and we are helpless. B. We will have built colonies amid the stars. Now students, by this statement, it means that due to growth in technology, a time will come when we will find place in universe to survive. C. Right now we have only one planet. This statement means that in future we will find another planet where life will be possible, but it will take time. So at present we have only one planet to survive. Fifth question. Professor Hawking wrote about the problem in the Guardian. Why is it given as news in the other papers? Professor Hawking is a renowned and highly respected scientist. His work shows the reality. Hence, whatever he has said or written has to be taken seriously and is news for the world. In addition, it cannot be copied directly by the other newspapers as he has written only in the Guardian. Students, I hope this article is clear to you all. Now we'll move on to our last article, that is quick cure for all ailments. Staff reporter Kawathe, hundreds of people flock every year to Ralewadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. They wait in long, winding queues in the hot sun to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sorts of diseases. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herb in the Himalayas. Unwilling to give the exact name and source of the herb, he says that it was revealed to him. He offers it at 25 a packet. Each packet is specially blessed by him. Some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with this powder. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that the number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. Students, this news is about the fraud done by Miri Baba, who is claiming to save life of many people. Students, now let us see the questions given below this article. Question 1. Guess the meaning of A. Flock, to move or go together in a crowd. B. Followers, people who support or admire someone. Question 2. Why is there a question mark in the heading? Answer. The reporter is not at all certain if the claim of Miri Baba that his special powder cures all ailments is actually true. In fact, he is very doubtful about it. Hence, there is a question mark in the heading. Question 3. Which part of the news is reliable? Which part may not be reliable? How do we learn that? Answer. The last 4 lines of the news item are reliable. The part where Miri Baba and his followers speak is not reliable. We learn that from the words special and blessed that are put in the quotation mark and by use of words like claim. Also, the fact that Miri Baba is not willing to give the exact name and source of the herb is suspicious. Question 4. Will Miri Baba and his followers like the news? Answer. No, they will not. Students, kindly note question 5 and 6 you all have to do for homework. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Now students, I will continue this lesson with our English workshop question number 2, that is letter writing. Now question 2 has 2 sub questions A and B. Let's see the A one. You wish to start a news bulletin for your school class. It will be a 1-page bulletin to be published every week. A different group of students will manage the preparation of the bulletin every time. Now students, based on this question A, you all have to write a letter either to your class teacher or principal. This you all have to do for homework. Now we will see B1. I will explain you all how to write the letter as per the new format. And students, kindly note this format which is given in your textbook is the old format. So please don't follow this format. We will see the new format now. As per the new format, students, you all have to start writing a letter from left hand side, touching to the margin. Now look over here. This is a blank page which I have used. You all have your books where the lines are ruled. So now in your book also you all will start the letter writing from left hand side. Your address will come on the left hand side, touching to the margin. as I have written over here. Then I have left this space. Now here I have left the space, but you all have to leave a line. And then you all will write to. After to, you all will write designation and address of the person to whom you are writing the letter. Now this will also come on the left hand side, touching to the margin. Once you all have completed this address, you all are going to leave a line again. Now here I have left a space. In your book you all will leave a line, and then will come your subject. Now see the subject over here. Request to issue old newspapers for a project. After writing the subject, again you all have to leave a line. I have left the space over here. You all have to leave a line in your notebook. Then will come your salutation, means respected sir, principal, madam, whatever. And then soon after that, you all have to start with your first paragraph. Now your first paragraph will also come touching the margin line. The main thing here to keep a note is that you all don't have to leave two finger space over here. See here, I have directly started the first paragraph touching to the margin line. I have not left the space over here, two finger space. So even you all don't have to leave the two finger space. Let's see what's the first paragraph. I, XYZ of class 7B would wish to request you to grant us permission to use old newspaper clippings from the library for our English project. Now students, here my first paragraph is getting over. After first paragraph, again you all have to leave a line. I have left the space, you all have to leave a line and start with the second paragraph. Now second paragraph will also come touching to the margin. You all don't have to leave two finger space. Let's have a look on the second paragraph. The main aim of the project is to make us understand different types of news articles, different news categories, and the type of language used, and to see the changes that have taken place in terms of presentation and the news that are printed. Now my second paragraph is over here. Now I'll move on to the third paragraph. But before moving on to the third paragraph, you all have to leave a line. And after leaving a line, you all have to start with the third paragraph without leaving two finger space. Let's have a look on the third paragraph. Therefore, it is my humble request to allow us to make use of newspaper clippings from our school library. I assure you that the newspaper will be used in a responsible manner. My third paragraph got over here. Now after your third paragraph, again you all are going to leave a line and then write thanking you. After writing thanking you, again you all have to leave a line and then write yours truly. And on the next line, soon after yours truly, you all will write XYZ. Students, please keep in mind everything will come on the left hand side touching to the margin line. Thank you.